Unlocking a flood of high-quality real estate leads is no longer a mystery with the powerful insights Propstream offers. Let's dive into how you can harness Propstream's diverse data to pinpoint your next big deal first. Navigate to the distressed properties or properties with equity module, depending on your target niche. The magic lies in Propstream's advanced search filters. Think about your ideal lead. Are you looking for foreclosures, probate situations, or properties with significant equity? Select these criteria precisely to narrow down your search. Once you've applied your filters, Propstream will visually present your potential leads on an interactive map. Hover over individual properties to instantly access crucial data points. You'll see owner names, estimated equity percentages, property details like square footage and year built, and even potential motivations for selling. Don't forget to save your targeted searches for future reference. This allows for ongoing lead generation without starting from scratch each time. Then, seamlessly export your curated list of promising leads. Now you have a powerful list of potential sellers or buyers ready for your outreach strategy, meticulously gathered and verified by Propstream's robust data. By leveraging these targeted search capabilities, you're not just finding leads, you're identifying opportunities. Start implementing these Propstream strategies today and watch your real estate business thrive.